Check it out. We're at the Take and Pay Food Town Superstore right here in the Chatsies, in the Chatsworth. And we're doing a special competition draw tonight. This is the annual event that's taking place right here in the store here today. And we're giving away 3 cabs. Oh, let's check it out. Take and Pay all the way. That's my co-anchor there, Forona Vora Chikwan, and her and I were emceeing the whole night, right? So what happened was, now due to COVID now, before they used to have the big gala dinners, now they reckon now they must have it by the store. Keep it all social distancing. You can check the diversity of all the members over there. So what we're gonna do now is I'm gonna show you exactly what it's all about.
So review crew right here, we got Gilad in the house!
Hello everyone, give me a round of applause please. I'm sitting on here today to come celebrate with you guys. We're giving away 3 cabs tonight. So firstly, my name is Bilal. For all the hosts out there, for all the live streamers there watching me on the Facebook Live, how's it, what time? We're here in the Chatsworth Take and Pay. You check here. We're giving away 3 of these cabs, 3 of these cabs today. And to all my own there as well, to all the hosts there on the channel, the review bro, 100% right. So, Brana, we're here today. Now, let's talk about the brand itself. Take and Pay was established in 1998, 23 years ago, it's here. As always, my brother, my cameraman was here. And here in Chatsworth. So it's become like a brand that everyone knows. Everyone shops at this place. Now, when we came here, it was busy. Now it's the heartbeat of the community. And they pride themselves in providing the best prices, quality products, and the best service to the community, as they say.
Absolutely. Absolutely. Do you know what Take and Pay prides themselves in? What's their slogan, Bilal?
Take and Pay loves you. You, all of you.
And all of you that's sitting right now at home and watching us.
I can see you shaking over there. How are you feeling?
I'm super excited.
Are you excited? And you?
Very excited and nervous.
Nervous?
Yeah.
Where are you from?
The Manson side.
The total team members are you? How are you feeling?
Excited. No.
Oh, and you? Very nervous. We can check over you. Right. So now we're going to call the first contestant this evening, the first final, Asande and Google. Can you please stand up, my darling? Now you can see the balloons in the background there. Now you each have to pop one, but you have to pop up a specific one. Now we have a silver cab we're giving out tonight. So you have to pop a silver balloon. There we go. Go for it.
If you've got a phobia like me, I won't be able to pop that balloon. Not at all, Bilal.
Let me give you a put maybe.
Come on, let's
There we go.
see.
Anyone? Pop it. That's it. There's your number there. Put it down.
You need to take your number and you need to...
There we go. Woo! It's ladies' night tonight. Woo! Yay! On the other guys, the back there. Give me a chop with the audience in the front. Oh, no atmosphere here. It's like a chat for once. She's got the number 1 number there. You see?
Right, let's...
Just to confirm your name. Tamira, there we go. Good luck, number 1. We're going to hand it to our Hobart representative here this evening. Good evening, sir. How are you doing?
My name is Reggie.
Reggie from
Havana, and
Here we go. There's our main member here sponsoring the camp this evening. We have our number 1 lady in our front here. Let's see what you gonna give us one. Oh, I'm starting. I'm so excited. Woo! Here we go. We all practicing social distancing here. This is number 1. Does number 1 open the car? Let's see. Ooh. Unlucky. I'm sorry, unlucky sister. We've got 2 more.
Number 9 is Number 9.
And number 10, where number 10?
Oh my goodness.
The 2 ladies. There we go, number 9.
Right. Fingers crossed, everyone.
Oh, good luck, number 9. Here we go.
Is it number 9? It's Bilal. Is it number 9 or number 10?
I'm confused now. Now we're going to see. Is it number 9? Hey! She's very excited. She's the winner of the cab. Your name again, sister? Now, Lee. Where you from, Lee? Bayview Chatsworth. Here we go. Winner here. Our first winner for the cab, the silver one. You like silver? You must love silver from now onwards. Here we go.
How often do you come to Take and Pay?
Come sit in your cab.
Quite often, and you really paid it off, right? You've got to tell us money knowledge, right?
Winner. Here we go.
can't hug you.
How are you feeling? How are you feeling? Tell us how you feeling.
I think she passed the perfect.
What? Anyone going to take a ticket? I thought that was you.
Nice, nice, well. What do you have to say? Nolan is our lucky winner this evening. Come on, guys, what is your review? What do you have to say?
Let's check it out.
I'm watching right now.
Woo, now really feeling. That's it. Here we go. Trying to keep it up there. Make sure you put on the and put it down. Break it. The break is full. You got license. You sure?
I think she's too nervous right now.
How are you feeling?
Oh, wow.
She's taking it in. She's taking it in. But also, moment, there we go. It's winners, you know, take it time. Well done. Well done. Hey, what a feeling now. Hey, oh, look at the front. Take a hey, looking classy. You're modern and all, should be. It's already reversed. Don't knock the holes in the back up. Put in a fork there. Okay.
Very, very excited.
Are you going to go straight on now? Are you going to celebrate tonight?
Yes, definitely.
Copy the camera, the overgrowth now. I want to see you after with the camp now. Inside.
Thank you.
Any message for taking part?
Thank you very much, Taking Pay. Really appreciate you.
Ikse, check it out, Ikse. The first winner of the first cab, the Silver Haval, Nolan Naidu from Bayview Chatwood. How are you feeling?
Very, very,
You can take your mask out, stand a distance, or you want to see the pretty face. Don't worry about that. How are you feeling?
very excited. And really, really, really excited.
Are you a frequent buyer here at Check and Pay?
Yes, very often.
How many years have you been shopping here for?
But plus minus 10 years now.
There we go, Ikse. That's what happens when you're shopping for 10 years. A loyal customer, and now you're a winner of a car. What you going to do in your car? What's the first thing you're going to do in your cab?
Well, I'm a Tamil, so we do a prayer.
Here we go, Ikse. That's it. Keep God closer. Any words to the members of Take and Pay Day?
Thank you, Taking Pay. It's an opportunity you've given me, and I'm blessed for it.
Any words to your family members there too?
Kirika, we've got it.
Winners, Ikse. Winners. Chun laka.
Bye.
No, still laka.
Laka.
Here we go, Ikse. That's it.
Oh, nice. Number 2. Number 3, who has number 3?
Here we go, gentlemen up front. Let me get it from you. Are you feeling good? Feeling good? Where you from? From Chatsworth.
You're not asking his name.
What is it? That's number 3. If you win the job, I know it's
Number 4, who has number 4?
Number 4.
Let's see, Bilkis, right? Bilkis has it.
Here we go.
Bilkis has it. It's gonna be number 4. It's going to be number 1.
Well, it's getting gold. You never know gold might be the winner.
Well, let's see, she's all dressed up this evening.
Let's see. All the emotions in one exhale. Yeah, second page, they will emotions. They kick your mind. Yeah, you see it.
A round of applause for Bilkis, everyone. Let's give it up for Bilkis. Woo! What's the slogan? Take it, hey.
How you feeling? The last one is here. What a candy.
I'm dreaming.
The dream come true.
I'm dreaming.
You still dreaming? That's a picture. Wake up. Alright, that's also this. Keep it safe over here. So, if you remove your mask on, right? So I don't have anything. You can just talk to the camera, to my camera there, and tell the people out there how you're feeling like. The key message for taking care always here.
I would like to say thank you very much. And everyone, thank you. And
Wait, the house before you get Lots 60. Lots. You can't get it. I can see the mouth and forward to put our head down and suddenly 100% is here. Here we go, it's here. Another video, the white one is here. Black one. Want to go white? White. Yeah, she knows. Lata, well done. Give a round of applause, everyone. That's it. Another video here today.
XC Owens, check it out, XC. Our second winner of the White House Wall tonight. Bilkis Hassan, order from Chatsworth. She's bringing it home for the O's here. How are you feeling?
Happy, excited, nervous. I'm still dreaming, but.
She reckoned she was dreaming the whole night and then she woke up, she made all the namaz
And lots of dua.
and all the qaza for the whole life. And Sahajud, so she won. You check. That's the power of prayer.
Today was Kipur Niyaz, or did Kipur Niyaz joke?
also.
Aye, what? And we got Farhana, my co-anchor here tonight.
Yes. What's up?
Chunlaka.
Laka.
She knows the tunes too, XC. But any message for the Take and Pay O's out there?
Shop till you drop.
Aye, what a thing XC. Shop till you drop. Chunda O's the laka.
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 Here we go, XC.
This is Review Brew, by the way. Review Brew. So,
What a member
check
of
it
it.
out on YouTube.
On the Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter, YouTube. Like it now. You're always not taking phones up now. Like it. And I'll make you a winner as well.
But yes, we want to welcome all of you this evening. We've got 10 finalists. Unfortunately, Kim Tablanche could not make it and be with us this evening. So in place of Kim, we have a Haval representative that's going to be taking her seat for now.
What's your name? So how are you feeling? Feel like a winner?
I hope so. Now what happens if she is the winner? Like would she give it to Kim?
I'm not saying nothing. I don't know what the situation is.
I would be like, no, I was there. I'm taking the car. I'm not going to let this car go.
If you're winning, you're going to get voted.
She's taking it, she said. We want to welcome all you online viewers as well on Facebook. Remember to keep watching throughout because this is the final segment, but we also have prizes to give away.
You got 3 prizes to give away. You got a 40-inch TV
An air fryer.
and a washing machine. Say, I love you. There you go. 1.
Woo! What is it gonna be? Pop your balloon and find out.
Hey, there's a deal.
Number.
Number 2, correct. Hey. Let's see somebody. Number 5, are we feeling alive tonight? Let's check it out. Is this the winning number? Woo!
Number 5. Who's got number 6?
Number 6. Hey. Our Pink Panther here tonight is here. Is it? Yeah, are you feel lucky? That's it. Let's see. The winner tonight. Let's see. Number 6. Number 6. Yeah, that's it. What do you buy for?
Number 7.
Number 7, are you driving to heaven tonight? We're gonna see for ourselves, not tonight. See, number 7 is the winner.
Thank you, Jesus. Oh my God. Hey, thank you so much. Second page. Thank you so much. I didn't believe this happened to me today. I never thought it would happen. When I put the question, I just take any value, any number, any value.
Any guesses ever taken back?
Hey, I thank you so much, Second Pay. I always support you. I always go on the 15 when I get paid. I go there with my friend. Thank you so much.
You can check it out, XC. We got our final winner of the Haval Care Beer at the Take and Pay competition, Jacqueline Dlamini. How are you feeling, my darling?
I'm feeling good. I'm feeling happy today. I thank God. I'm shaking because I never thought that today I would win the car. I just dropped the tickets and miracle just happened.
That's it. Miracles always happen. God is great, sir.
God is great all the time.
Here we go, XC. Here we go. Wait, Farhana, don't. Come closer, XC. Don't go talk so far. No.
Looking so good. You're looking absolutely amazing.
I'm next to 2 beautiful models here this evening, a winner and a winner, XC. Here we go. And your words to the fans out there?
People take and pay.
I want you to come, and it's very cheap. When you have 1,000, you can and have a grocer for 1,000. All the grocer for your home.
You can buy the whole thing.
It is clean. Even your meats. I always go there because I don't have money, so I need to go to Second Pay.
So God is great.
It's cheap. Yes.
See.
Great. Yes.
More value for your money, of course. We've got our deli. Have you eaten from the deli, by the way? Absolutely delicious meals at the deli. We've got our butchery, we've got our seafood department, and we've got our bakery. So everything under one roof, right? All your items under one roof.
There we go, Ixia. So until next time, oh, and check the cab in the back there. Check this cab, Ixia. She's won it. Look at that. The winner of a new cab, Take and Pay. There we go. And NMI, DMS, I don't know, what do you say? NMI?
I have no idea.
Something there, I'm slanga, Ixia, expand the cabs. That's all you say. Now, tuna fans are there, laka.
Laka.
There we go, Ixia.